Here's a quick tutorial of Piktochart. Start by going to piktochart.com and click Start for free. There are upgrades if you pay for it, but that's not very necessary for teachers and students. You can do that later on if you'd like. You could always upgrade. Since I already signed up, I'm just going to log in. And I'm just going to go over some very basic stuff. It's really a tool that you should play around with to learn the ins and outs of. But basically, it takes you to this first page. And up here it says Pikto templates. And basically, you have four options: infographics, which is like a long form infographic, it's many different blocks put together; presentation style, almost like a PowerPoint or Google Slides; poster; and report. So we're going to stick to the infographic. When you click on it, it gives you tons of templates that are already created. Some of them are free. Those are the only ones we can use because we have the free version. And some of them say pro. That means you have to upgrade to pay for it. So we are going to pick a free one. Let's go with this. Press create. And it brings you to a new window. A new tab opens up on your browser. After which we can take a quick tour of how to use it. So we'll do that. Basically, we'll start with this. Take a tour. So this is showing you how on the left-hand side, right here, you can choose and to add text, graphics, upload photographs, change your background, and other tools. Okay, so for graphics, you can click an icon and you simply just drag it over. You can adjust everything after you drag it. For text, you click the type of font and drag it over to the infographic. If you'd like to upload a photograph, you do it right here. And then you select the image. The uploads come down here to this area, and you drag them right over to the infographic. So any image that you have on your computer that you download from the internet, you can put right onto the Piktochart. Here it is showing you how to add and delete and duplicate blocks on the infographic. So you're going to have a menu right next to your blocks right here. And on this menu, you can add a block, delete a block, clone a block, and move the blocks up and down. Your Piktochart infographic is just a series of blocks, and each block can have a different background or a different theme, or as they're showing in this tutorial, you can clone it. And right here, they're showing you how to save your infographic when it's done. There's a button right up here that you press to save it. And then if you press the download button, you can download it as a PDF or as an image in the JPEG or PNG format. And you can also share it and publish it. So actually, we're going to get started with that right now. We're going to add a shape. Okay, you can change the color of the shape, like so. You can change the color of anything you add, and you can also move it, spin it, fill it with a color. So basically, anything you add to the pictograph, to edit it, you're using this horizontal menu. You can add a link to it, fill it with color, make it opaque or transparent. So we'll do there, and so on and so forth. If you want to change the entire background, again, and we're doing one block at a time. That's how you do that. If you want to add text, you click this, add a subtitle. Okay. If you want to upload an image, you do it here. And then to add more blocks or delete blocks, you click an entire block, you can press delete again, and so on and so forth. The cool thing about the templates is that you don't have to do much editing. You can just change the text and some of the pictures, and there's some really cool templates already set out for you. So there's lots of things you can do. You can start from scratch, or you can use a template and just edit the template. To share it, click the share button, give it a name, press next. Right now it's unpublished, but if you make it public, you can have a link. So you press OK, and now you have a link that you can share this pictograph with anyone in the world, including for this class. You'll copy and paste the link of your pictograph to our Google community so everyone else in our class can see what you created. And lastly, you can export it or download it. We're not going to worry about exporting it right now. So sharing it by getting the link or sharing on social media down here and downloading it, which is right here. And if you want to preview it, ours looks pretty bad because I didn't do anything special to it. I just wanted to show you how to use the tools. Okay, hope you learned something.